The first strong Pacific storm system is going to be heading into California starting tomorrow and going into Tuesday. Strong area of low pressure going to be dropping into the state. That's going to bring a lot of changes. Let's get right into Futurecast and show you how this plays out for us here in Kern County. So by noon tomorrow, the bulk of this moisture is moving into California. It's mainly northern California at this point. The high Sierra getting some snow and the rain off into northwest California. As we get into the day tomorrow, potential is there for a little bit of shower activity, but as you can see, most of the rain is still not into Kern. It's not going to be tomorrow night into Tuesday morning that this really starts to move in. This particular model brings it in around midnight. The main window would be between about midnight and 6 a.m. for this first heavy band to move in. That'll linger for a couple hours here. This model has it cleared out by 6 a.m. Again, this is one of our faster moving models, but the big takeaway there is tomorrow night into Tuesday morning is when we expect most of this rain to be moving through. Should be a good shot of rain, some lingering rain activity, shower activity there as we get into Tuesday afternoon, and things should start to kind of dry up for us as we get into Tuesday evening. But this will be a long-lived system with some significant impacts here. This is a look at estimated rain totals, and I do think this is doing a decent job. This is actually kind of on the lower end in some spots. Roughly speaking, here in the valley, about a ½ inch to an inch of rain possible. Some models actually bring us in over an inch. I think about 3/4 to about an inch and a half in our mountain areas. Localized amounts higher than that, definitely possible. And desert areas between about 1/4 and a ½ inch. The main takeaway here, this is going to be a widespread soaking rain for everyone in Kern County, and it does have the potential to be a little bit too much rain. That's why we have a flood watch in effect for those mountain areas. So flooding of burn scar areas, definitely a concern. That would include things like rock slides and debris flows, especially as that heavier band is moving through late tomorrow night into early Tuesday. Places like the Kern Canyon could also get into some of those rock slides. And then for the rest of us away from those areas, just your typical flooding of poor drainage areas, low-lying areas, some minor street flooding. And of course, remember, take it a little bit slow. A lot of times we see a lot of crashes when we get the first big rain, so just drive smart in that rain. As far as the forecast tomorrow, I am including rain chances, but they're fairly minor. Into tomorrow night and into early Tuesday is when those rain chances are really going to be taking off for us here in Kern. Let's get into the extended forecast here. 73 degrees your forecast high for Monday, 64 on Tuesday. Quick look at your day planner here is going to show increasing clouds through the day, but again, the main takeaway is going to be that rain Monday night into Tuesday morning. As we head through the rest of the week, things will be clearing out and also getting quite a bit warmer here in Kern. Quick look at the 7-day forecast for the rest of Kern County. We're looking at temperatures that are very chilly in our mountain areas. Not cool enough for snow over the passes, though. That's going to be very high elevation areas above 6,000 feet and clearing by the end of the forecast.